Welcome to Aspire Executive Institute. In this tutorial session, we are going to have a quick look at how to install our Microsoft version of the app, where is the Aspire Executive Institute app for those of us using the Windows laptops or desktops. So first off, what you have to do is to look for a Microsoft Store on your device. So you set Microsoft Store. Okay. And then you launch the Microsoft Store. Within the Microsoft search bar, you type the name of the app, which is Aspire Executive Institute. Then you search. So there is how the app looks like. It has this logo with a red background and white stripes within it. We are going to select that and then click install. We wait until the installation is done, then we proceed from there. Okay, so installation is now complete. What I'm going to do from this point is to create a shortcut of it on my desktop. So I'm going to search the Aspire app. Okay, so for easy access, I can either pin to my taskbar, which is now displayed here, and then pin to start. So I can go to my Windows and then create a shortcut of it to my desktop, and I'll open it from there or from my taskbar. So after installing the app, that is what you have. So if you're yet to create an account, all you have to do is click on create an account. If there is a first time joining Aspire, click on create account and then enter a valid email address and password. Okay, for the Aspire app, the email address should be a personal one, preferably a Gmail account. Okay, it should be a valid one. You enter that, the mail there, whatever mail you want to use, you enter the password you want to use for the app, then you click on sign up here. After signing up, you enter your details to log in and then create your account, after which you can proceed with your registration. Okay, so if you already have an account, all you have to do is to enter the details you've already signed up with, okay, and then you click the login here to log into your previous account. If you already have the app on another device, maybe let's say your phone, all you have to do is to just log out from the phone and then log into your account on the desktop. So you are going to enter your details, your account details, which you've created already, and then click the login here. Then you access your account on your laptop or desktop device. So this is how to install the Windows version of the app on your various laptop devices.